another Matco tool. This here is Matco's long barrel air hammer, orange. I'll show it to you in just a minute. Oh, and stick around to the end. I've got another Tuesday tidbit for you. It says it has hard-hitting power, 2,300 blows per minute. Patent pending forward grip. And I'll show you that. Patent pending internal air valve. Internal rubber dampener. Precision machined piston and barrel. Soft textured rubber over mold grip. Patented integrated chuck. Front exhaust system. Comes with operating instructions for model number MT29160. It's got warning information, it's a dangerous tool, and a parts breakdown. So let's go ahead and take a look at the tool. Okay, here it is, and in order to use it, you need two hands because of all the impact strength that this tool has. You'll need two hands. And this way here, so you can go after it any way you want, whatever feels good for you. I'm going to fire it now. I only got about 80 pounds of air pressure, so I turned off the air tank, but with higher pressure, it'll even go higher than it's like a machine gun, isn't it? Yeah. All right, it's got a slip collar right here where you can slide down, change your bits, put in a chisel, whatever you want. Nice Matco air hammer. Right off the truck. Gotta love it. Hey, thanks for sticking around for the Tuesday tidbit. You know, did you ever realize that it's always handy when you have an imaginary girlfriend? And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.